He was asked one question and everything fell apart.
Under your theory of the case, his theory of the case, a president could order SEAL Team 6 to assassinate a political opponent and not be subject to prosecution for it. Sauer's answer was effectively, that's right. Unless he were impeached first, he would not be subject to prosecution. Is that your view as well?
I think a similar question was also asked at the oral argument at the Supreme Court a few months later. I think the Supreme Court has now set forth a test in Trump versus United States that would address that hypothetical situation, which, based on my relationship, I might add, I think is outlandish, and I see no reason to think that that hypothetical would ever be a possibility.
Well, so is it your view as well, as it was Mr. Sauer's, that yes, the president could assassinate a political opponent and not be prosecuted for it if his party won't impeach him in the Senate?
He couldn't say yes or no. Watch why.
The president orders SEAL Team 6 to kill his political opponent, one of them, maybe several, uses the military to do it, so it's within the scope of absolute immunity. Is it your view that he is not subject to prosecution for that if the members of his party will not impeach him?
With that hypothetical or any hypothetical that you might try to pose, Senator, I would just refer to the test that the Supreme Court has set out.
I'm asking you your view, so just tell me yes or no.
Yeah, and I want to tell you that as a judicial nominee, I don't want to prejudge any case, regardless.
Well, I'm not asking you to prejudge. I'm asking you to talk about your view and also what you argued, what you counseled the president in that case. Did you make the argument as a member of the president's legal team that, yes, he could assassinate his opponent if he used the military to do it, and if his party wouldn't impeach him, that he would be protected?
Yeah, so I can't get into any privilege conversations, as you know, due to attorney-client privilege, but I would refer you to the remarks that John Sauer had at the Court of Appeals and the Supreme Court.
Well, so let me ask you this. If a president uses their official position to enrich themselves, is he immune? Or is that purely personal?
So Chief Justice Roberts asked a similar question at oral argument. I think counsel referred him to
I'm asking you.
Yeah, I want to refer you to the same place, the United States versus Brewster.
Don't refer me. Just answer the question. In your view, if the president enriches himself through his office, is he immune, or is that purely personal conduct?
Yeah. So I think the United States versus Brewster decision.
Okay, you're not answering the question. Will go down in history. That will be their legacy as having enabled the worst form of corruption we've ever seen in the Oval Office, and you'll be a part of the team that made that possible.